Good evening, Yázhí, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo word of the day is going to be Bich'i, Bich'i, which basically means to him or to her. Tonight's lesson is going to be a continuation of what you learned last night, áshłééh, which means to make. áshłééh, áshłééh, it's the present tense of that verb, áshłééh. And again, for these examples, use the sentence structure that I gave you yesterday for Navajo sentences, object being first, followed by the action, then followed by the verb. So to use this word, to say something like, I'm calling my brother, Shibrother, Bich'i call, áshłééh, that's how you would say it, Shibrother, Bich'i call, áshłééh. My brother being the object, as if he's an object, the action being calling, and the verb being áshłééh. So to make the sentence, you would say, Shibrother, Bich'i call, áshłééh. That's how you would say it in Navajo. If you're saying, I'm emailing my sister, Shisister, Bich'i email, áshłééh. Shisister, Bich'i email, áshłééh. If you're saying, I'm texting my friend, you would say, Shifriend, Bich'i text, áshłééh. Shifriend, Bich'i text, áshłééh. And that's basically how you use that word Bich'i or Nich'i. And so, I'm sorry, I didn't even get to Nich'i. Nich'i is another way of saying Bich'i, but Nich'i means to you. Bich'i means to him or to her, but Nich'i means to you. So if I'm saying I'm calling you, Nich'i call, áshłééh. Nich'i call, áshłééh. If I'm saying I'm texting you, Nich'i text, áshłééh. Nich'i text, áshłééh. The ne in Nich'i means you. The b in Bich'i means to him or her, Bich'i. And then there's Nich'i, to you, Nich'i. You can use it to say a lot of different things, like I'm faxing him, Bich'i fax, áshłééh. Or call, fax. Basically, those that's basically how you would use that word, Bich'i. Now, I did get the comment that this is Navlish, and yeah, it is. The reason being is for me to give you all the words to use in these examples. Like, if you were to say brother, it depends on how old your brother is, if they're older or younger than you. If your brother is older than you, then you would say Shínaaí. If your brother is younger than you, then you would say Shitsílí. If your sister's older than you would say Shádí. Or if they're younger than you, then you say Shidéezhí. Or if you want to be non-specific and you just mean your sibling, which is not the same sex you are, then you would say Shilah. So if it's a boy saying that about his sister, then it's Bala. Or if it's a sister saying that about his brother, she would also say Shilah. I think I got you confused. Bala means his brother or his sister. Shilah means my brother, or for me, since I'm a boy, that would be my sister. If it's your aunt, depending on if it's your mom's side, then you would say Shimáyázhí. If it's on your dad's side, you would say Shideezhí. If it's your uncle on your mom's side, you would say Shidá'í. If it's your uncle on your dad's side, you would say Shizhé'é. If it's your cousin on your mom's side, they're the same clan as you, then it would be Shitsílí or Shínaaí. If it's on your dad's side, your male cousin on your dad's side, then you would say Shínaaí. If it's your female cousin on your mom's side, then you would say Shádí or Shideezhí or Shilah based on their age. Or if it's your female cousin on your dad's side, then you would say Shizhé'é. So it really changes how they're related to you, on which side, your mom or your dad's side, which is why, rather than going into all those details for now, you can just say Shibrother or Shisister or Shicousin. Shicousin Bich'i email, áshłééh. Shicousin Bich'i text, áshłééh. I'm emailing my cousin, I'm texting my cousin. That's how you would use that word, Bich'i. So that's tonight's Navajo word of the day. Sorry to get all wordy there. Any questions, hit me up, send me a comment. comment. Send a dilil. Send me a comment. Sorry, jumping ahead, but we'll get to how you use those types of words later. So that's tonight's Navajo word of the day. Bich'i. Bich'i or Nich'i. Any questions? Send me a message.